Hi, this is Classic Techart and welcome to another video. As you can see to my computer screen, this is typography logo design. It's very simple and very common design in the logo destination. So this video is so short and so beautiful. Just watch this video to the end. You can learn something from here. So no matter attack, let's begin today. So what we need to do, I just select first all the things and a little bit smaller here and keep to the corner side. It's very short video. So what we need to do, I go to the over here, you see, just pressing here. See, so many tools over here, but I needed the rectangle tool. Press over there, and I put it to the center. So, like that, center. I think it's okay. So we're ready to the, I go to the over here, and it just to, like that, I just run it to the, I just go to the over here, the pen tool. Go to the pen tool, here, like that, go, E, the pressing shift like that, and it just do that. I think it's okay. Little bit angle like that. Okay, that's fine. So go to the upper heel there. So okay, I and upper D. So we're ready to the I select all the things. Go to the shape builder tool, and by pressing over key, not exactly, and to that and same things. So we're running to the next job. Next job is that I need like that angle. So we're running today. I go to the upper heel like that. Again, upper heel. Little bit like that. I need angle or upper heel and that. I just to go to the upper heel and just select this counter. A little bit like it's okay. Little bit, yeah, okay. I think that's fine. But I needed just to select and copy like that. I put over here. Okay. But now I needed just angle position. Little bit there. I think okay. I think it will be better. I think it's okay. So I just select this one and go to the arrange, go to the center back. It's gone to the back, but I need to change the color. Over here, it'll be change the color. I think it's okay, or it's okay. I think maybe no, it's okay. I think it's okay. Okay, a little bit there, or it'll be excited like that. Maybe okay. It'll be backside. I think better. Okay, it's okay. So no, I need a little bit angle also. It's not good, looking good. Not, it's okay right now. It's okay, and I think here also a little bit same, same to same. We need it to same to same. So when it today, I just go to the over there and just copy. It'll be there. I think it's okay, but I need a little bit like that. Okay, a little bit there or there. I need a little bit. No, too much, too much. No, no, no. Little bit some problems. So okay, I will solve this problem. Don't worry. This I need a copy. I will, of course, solve this problem like that. I will solve all the things. Of course, I will do that. I will do that. Don't worry. Don't worry about it. Don't worry. I will solve the problem. Okay. It's now a little bit okay. It solved all the things. Okay, so what we need to do, I go here like that thing is how to solve. Can't imagine. I think that'll be there. Okay. I think it's okay. Okay. Uh, see, it's write it down. See, just a little bit like that. Okay, to be here. See, it's happened. Little bit. Okay, you see, little bit. Right there. See, so the difference between I want it. So it's two nice. Little bit. Okay. It's okay. So you see, no difference between this that one. You see. So I it. So it's see how continually good and the same. So thanks for watching.